Hi, this is Maciek with Sarasota for Sale at Keller Williams, and I'm standing here with Jeremiah Smith on the team, and we are checking out an amazing pizzeria on Siesta Key. It's located just south of the South Bridge, the Stickney Point Bridge, and this one is called Pizza and Brew.
Frank Segretti's grandfather introduced their family recipe in 1950s in Cold Spring, New York. Fast forward to 1989, Frank's father opened what was formerly known as City Pizza right here on Siesta Key. Recently rebranded, Frank took over the business and has now named it Pizza and Brew.
Take a look. This is the pizza we ordered, and isn't Jeremiah happy? Also, this place has a nice full bar, as you can see right here. Plenty of seating, lots of tables, and look at all of these beers on tap. Amazing, the selection. Plus, don't forget about the cocktails. They do have a wonderful selection of liquors.
So here's what we really like about this restaurant. Not only is it a family-owned business for 3 generations in the pizza industry, but more specifically, they're using the same pie recipe, which is from New York. And it's something that they really pride themselves on because no one else in Sarasota has this recipe. Also, they're serving beer now, and they also have special cocktails. So great place to come if you're vacationing on Siesta Key or you live here year-round like we do. Now, one more thing I want to mention is the location because it's unbelievable. But let me just show you real quick by turning it around. So right over there is the access point to the South Bridge over on this side. And right over there is the Crescent Beach access. So you can literally walk to Crescent Beach from here. In fact, let's go do that right now.
Okay, so this is the restaurant. It's on the corner of this whole plaza. Here's the entryway to the plaza, and Jeremiah and I are on our walk. We just passed a 7-Eleven, I believe it is, on the right side, a couple businesses, and then the Crescent Club to the right as well, and a whole bunch of other little shops, including a grocery store. Turn left right here. This is the parking lot to Crescent Beach, and as you walk just a little bit further, you're here. You are already on the beach. This whole walk took us approximately 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And look at this. This is the white quartz crystal sand beach of Siesta Key. If you haven't been here, get down here. You are going to love it.
All right, so we have just made it to Crescent Beach. You saw our walk is very close to the pizzeria we just came from. And let me ask you, Jeremiah, what do you like most about Siesta Key?
The beautiful view of the warm water and the fine sand of this beach, which is year after year rated the top beach in the country.
Excellent. Well, if you have any questions about Siesta Key, about Sarasota, or moving here, I have lived here for almost 30 years. I have a wealth of knowledge about the area, so give me a call. You can reach me at 941-888-SOLD. You can also visit our website if you want to look at some properties, which is sarasota.com.